My dear brothers and sisters, for many times in our readings today, we've heard the action of being handed down, or shall we say, being handed over. Marahil sabihin po ninyo, Paskong Pasko, ito ang naririnig natin ngayon. But as we progress the day, today we celebrate the feast of Saint Stephen, tomorrow the feast of Saint John, and on the 28th, the feast of the Holy Innocents. They are just radiating professions of their faith and their life to the infant born. The experience of Stephen of being handed down was not a beautiful one because he was martyred. And we all know it, that he was martyred by stoning him to death. He was handed down not to be taken care of, but to be broken down into pieces. He was handed down to higher officials in order for him to die. And likewise, what we have heard from our Lord in our gospel, as followers of Him, we will be handed over to superiors, to higher classes of men, people of great names, because we will be judged, we will be condemned, because we believe in God, we put our faith in God and not unto them. But it will be entirely different that while we are being handed over to these kinds of men, to these kinds of people, let us be reminded that first and foremost, we are first of all handed over to the palm and to the loving embrace of God. The experience of handing over will always be reciprocal. May nagbibigay, may tumatanggap. But the action of someone receiving what was handed over will always be a very sweet experience. We cannot but feel that after handing ourselves over to people, or maybe handing over something to people, we cannot but feel secure, safe, or sound by such action. Kapag ang isang bagay o ang isang tao ay nasa isang nangangalaga na o pinagkatiwala na, payapa tayo at sana panatag din tayo. Stephen and all of us following the Lord may have experienced or are still experiencing tribulations, our own version of martyrdom, and even distress. We may be handed over to unsafe hands and also to dangerous and unsecured hands. But again, be assured that over and above all these things, all these dangers, we are first and foremost handed over into the palm of the birth and the presence of Jesus in our lives. Nasa mga kamay man po tayo ng mga nagpapahina sa atin, pero mas nasa kamay na tayo ng nagpapalakas sa atin. Tribulations and sadness that sometimes is conquering us, that are sometimes conquering us, won't have the last say. But the hands taking care of us will always stop the most and be the most victorious of all. My dear brothers and sisters, this is the gift of Christ. This is the gift of Christmas. let us hand over ourselves to Jesus, and in Him, let us be at peace.